everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today. And yes, continuing the solo artist week, today I will be reacting to Jessie. She's an independent solo artist. I know nothing about her, but this song has been requested so many times. I think this is one of the most requested solo artist song recently. This song is called, what a cute name, Nunu Nana. Nice. So yeah, without delaying this, let's react to Nunu Nana MV. Now this came in July 2020, July 30th, 2020. So yeah, let's get into it. All right. Do let me know more about her because I absolutely I'm going into this reaction completely blind. All right, let's start, guys.
I'm trying to give you something more. So come with me and fly away, 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 away.
Okay, the first thing, her vocals. Oh my god, her vocals. And she looks like such a badass. Like the first visual only I can, guess that. All right.
I'm trying to give you something more. So come with me and fly away, 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 away.
She looks like such a badass.
No, no, na, na. No, 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 na, na.
What does Nunu Nana mean? Huh?
Put 'em up in the air. No, na, na, na. Like this, so na, na, na. No, na, no, na. 나를 지금 원해. Give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more. Baby, baby, I want it. Eat it all, eat it all, eat it all, eat it all. 누나 잡지 마, come on. 원한다면 솔직해져봐. Too much. Oh, baby, what's I got so bad? I could give you everything, anything. Baby, can you handle it? 뭐라던 still don't give a what. 마음대로 계속 떠들어 they talk.
Oh wow, this is already so catchy. First, okay, it's just a minute that has passed. The first thing, her vocals are incredible. Second, I love this. This is really not pop. This is more like hip hop. This has a little bit of a hip hop feel, which I love. And third, she looks like such a badass. I want to know more about her. Like, what is her career chart? She looks like a boss lady. A boss lady. Oh my god, wow. Just wow. Haters gonna hate. Yapping their mouth, they talk about I love.
so bad. I could give you everything, anything. Baby, can you handle it? 뭐라던 still don't give a what. 마음대로 계속 떠들어 they talk about me. 뭐라 너, 뭐라 하노. F you. 그래서 난 no, no, na, na. No, 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 na, na.
Oh, I love it!
No, na, na, na. Like this, so na, na, na. No, na, no, na. I'm still Jesse from the block. You know I got the keys to the lock. 안 받으면 눈치, I just do me. 날 보기 위해 들어 뒤꿈치. Wake up, looking fresh. 어디 가든 flex, got the S on my chest. 싸이 오빠 말했지 걸리는 대로 해. No red.
This is so good. The song is so catchy and the beat is so catchy. The hook is so catchy. The visuals are so sexy. Oh wow. Oh man.
Lights 올림픽 때도
And she's twerking like a boss. I want to know more about her, yeah? This hook is so good.
Put 'em up in the something more.
This part is so good.
So come with me and fly away, away.
The song started with this line only. Oh wow, oh wow. I want to listen to this part again. Let me listen from No No Nana. That is so catchy.
No, 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 no. Put 'em up in the air.
Woo!
No, na, na, na. Like this, so na, na, na.
She looks like such a
No, na, na,
badass.
na.
I love it.
Yeah. I'm trying to give you something more. So come with me and fly away, away, away.
Wow.
Away,
Vocals are amazing. Powerful vocals.
Grassonando, no, no, no.
Who I don't know. Is she another independent artist? This girl? I think so. I think so, but I don't know who she is.
Put 'em up in the air. No, na, na, na.
Who's the other artist?
So na, na, na. No, na, no, na.
Woo! P Nation. This is another company, P Nation, huh? Oh, sorry. P Nation. All right. Oh, that was Jessie's Nunu Nana. What a badass. Like she owned every frame of this song. And I don't know, the feeling that I got that, I don't know, there was a sense of passion and aggression looking at her as well as the way she was singing, that maybe she has faced a lot of criticism. Do let me know, because like I said, I'm going into this completely blind, so I do not know anything about this artist. Of course, after I shoot this, I'll find out, but I'll also look at your comments. Like I do not know anything about her career chart, but it really felt like she was giving it back to them, because usually when musicians talk about haters, it always comes from a very personal space. It always they're not gonna write any song about talking about their haters just out of the blue. It comes from a very emotional state of being. That's what I felt, and her vocals are so powerful, so powerful. This was, like I said, this was not really pop. This was more inclined towards hip hop, which I liked. The beat is so catchy, the hook is so catchy, the choreography is so catchy, the overall visuals are also so beautiful. Loved it, guys. I understand completely why you asked me to react to Jessie Nunu Nana. I want to know more about her. This was empowering, to say the least. This was empowering, to say the least. And her aura is so, I don't know, she has a sense of, her aura is so dominating, which I love. It's powerful, it's dominating, it's like, no nonsense aura that she exudes. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, guys. This is what I like. So that's why I think I've decided probably in my head that I'm going to do this. I'm going to do dedicated weeks. Like this week is completely dedicated to solo artists and this, because if I do dedicated weeks, it'll help me cover so much more in K-pop, so much more about this industry. So yeah, that was my reaction to Jessie's Nunu Nana, and yes, I hope you enjoyed this and have come till the end of the video. If you are a K-pop lover, please do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.